We'll guide you through how to check following on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's interesting to go and see who you're following. Over time, you've probably gone and followed lots of different people, and so what we can do is go and check this out. We're going to guide you through some different ways this can be done, so make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. So for the first way, you want to go and press on the profile button in the bottom right, and that'll go and bring you here. Now, what you need to do is you want to come down to the friends, and you want to go over to the right, and you want to go and press see all, like so. Here we are. Then you want to go to the top, and you want to go and find the option for following, and you want to go and tap there. Now you can go and see your different following here, and you can go over to the right and you can go and press manage, and you can go and scroll through and see it here. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go to the top left and press the three lines, come down here, tap on settings and privacy to expand it, and you can go and press on settings. Then what you want to do is you want to go down the list, and you want to go and find the option in your activity for activity log, and you want to go and tap there and scroll down here until you go and find connections and tap there, and you want to go and find followers, and you can press manage, press filters in the top left and press categories, and you can select you followed and unfollowed. There we go. So you're going to go and see who you've unfollowed, but also who you've followed, so you can go and see who you're following. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.